Hi, this is Will for Engearment.com talking about the Mountainsmith K9 range. We got a bed and a backpack and a backbowl. I'm going to take the backbowl off the board. So this is a bowl that will basically pack down to nothing and yet hold both liquid and solids. So first of all, the bed. The fact that it is already dirty tells you that my dog Baggins loves it. Come here, Baggins. Come on. Come here. Up, up. He is super happy on his bed, which is great because it means that we can take it out into the backcountry and he has something he knows with him. What I love about the bed, though, is that it packs up into one of the pockets on the backpack. So this is going to be the first backpacking trip where I've not carried anything for Baggins at all, and I am really excited about that. So he's going to have his bed, his bowl, he's going to carry his own food, and we got one other treat for him that he will carry as well. That's his bed tucked away. He's got some food. I'll probably pack a little bit more than that, but he's also got a tin of beer, non-alcoholic of course, to carry up as well. Lucky duck. Putting the backpack on is a breeze, and it's also really easy to adjust. So let's get it on, Baggins, here. I'm going to pop this over his head. Come on, up, up, stand, up. Baggins, up, up, stand up, good boy. He's not used to this kind of weight, but it won't take too long to remedy. So just like any, just like any harness, there's a couple of attachment points. Like I say, this works well for Baggins, and the good news is it's really adjustable. So Baggins is wearing the medium large, I believe, and he's a healthy sized Australian Shepherd. I'm just going to tighten this up a little bit on him so it doesn't slide around too much. Every time he's worn it so far, though, he's been quite happy to. Okay, you can get down now. Good boy. So there we have it on, and I'll show you it in action, I am sure.
Hey Baggins. So after a long day's hiking and fishing, it is long, it has been long because it's dark now. We're doing this by headlamp. We've got a little treat for Baggins on his backpack. He doesn't know it yet. Here is a can of dog beer and the bowl